Welcome to our ultimate medium tutorial. I am Vinod and I am from India. I will be your tutor for this medium tutorial. We will start this tutorial from medium basic overview. What is their homepage is all about. Then we will go in depth into what is mean by medium partner program. Why should you join medium partner program? We will be discussing more about your importance of your profile page, importance of tools such as Grammarly to basically write good articles, and how to write, how to structure and how to publish your articles. We will also deal in depth into how to import your articles, what is the means of stats in your medium section, and how to write a better medium article. We will also be discussing how to generate your own medium podcast using play.ht, how to share your stories through S-Median, how you can improvise your stories or how to make your stories reach more by the use of signals. You will be learning also basic SEO techniques. Then we will be learning more about how to use Pocket and Evernote for your best writing experience. We will also deal with how to generate countless and endless ideas so that you will not be deprived of generating ideas. We will also learn how to genuinely connect with more fellow bloggers so as to appreciate them and also to bring up our genuinity in medium blogging platform. We will also learn to use other tools such as Canva to make use of your best pictographic experience, how to create good headlines and how to create all other things. We will also study how much importance is headlines for your blog post. Headlines is one of the most important thing in your blog post, and you're going to make up your mark by using your best headlines tools and techniques here. Last but not the least, we will be covering more than anything in this course, and I would assure you that this would be one of your best courses to start your base in a medium platform and improve your career in blogging. Thank you guys for listening. Why do you stop now? Just go enroll and use this tool. Bye.